AI and robotics transforming grocery supply chains. AI and robotics are revolutionizing grocery supply chains by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and responsiveness at every stage. Here's how they're making an impact. Robotic picking and packing. Robotic systems in warehouses can pick, pack, and sort items with high precision, reducing the time and labor costs associated with these tasks. Companies like Ocado and Amazon use robots to handle goods, speeding up order fulfillment and reducing errors. Autonomous guided vehicles (AGVs). These vehicles navigate warehouses to transport goods, streamline inventory management, and reduce human error. 2. Optimized inventory management. These vehicles navigate warehouses to transport goods, streamline inventory management, and reduce human error. AI algorithms analyze historical sales data, seasonal trends, and external factors like weather or holidays to predict demand more accurately. This ensures that grocery stores maintain optimal inventory levels, reducing waste and avoiding stockouts. Automated reordering. Based on AI forecasts, systems can automatically reorder stock, ensuring shelves are always stocked with popular items. 3. Supply chain visibility and transparency. AI and IoT sensors allow for real-time tracking of products as they move through the supply chain. This visibility helps in identifying bottlenecks, optimizing routes, and ensuring that perishable items reach stores on time. AI combined with blockchain technology can create immutable records of a product's journey from farm to shelf, enhancing transparency and traceability, particularly for organic and fair trade products. 4. Enhanced customer experience. AI algorithms can analyze shopping habits and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations, discounts, and promotions. Robots or AI-driven systems in stores can monitor shelf stock in real time, ensuring that products are always available and alerting staff when restocking is needed. Sufficient route planning. AI optimizes delivery routes to minimize fuel consumption and carbon emissions. This not only cuts costs, but also reduces the environmental impact. By predicting demand more accurately, AI helps reduce overstocking and spoilage, significantly lowering food waste. Collaborative robots. Cobots. Cobots work alongside human workers, taking on repetitive tasks and allowing employees to focus on more complex activities, increasing overall productivity. These technologies are making grocery supply chains more resilient, sustainable, and customer-focused, leading to a more efficient and responsive system.